Hi guys, Nip here. I am here with a tutorial. This one is actually going to involve streaming. So I recently started to pursue streaming a couple months ago, and I've learned to really love it. But in that, there's been extremely stressful things to try to figure out. And I would absolutely love to help people out with this because I know it's a whole lot, way more than people anticipate when they start streaming. So I'm here to help you out. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how your viewers can change your voice via channel points. What I mean is you can change it to this voice, you can change it to this voice. This program is a whole lot of fun, and this doesn't cost anything unless you want like premium access to different voices and stuff like that. Just stick around and I'll show you guys how to do this. So really quick guys, I have my Discord opened for the reason being I actually have very in-depth detailed tutorials on my Discord in the Twitch how-tos category for you guys. I try to make it as easy as possible, being somebody who does this myself. I do have those in there, and all you would have to do is join the server and go into the roles category and assign your roles. You would just have to say that you are a fellow streamer, and once you get the streamer role, you can unlock the Twitch how-tos category. But I will have these links in the description to join my Discord server and the other links that you will need as well. So really quick, the first step is going to be to download VoiceMod. So I have a link right here and also in the description. So you can just download it right here with this button. Really easy. Once you have VoiceMod installed, you will go ahead and open it. I can't remember if it has you sign into your Twitch and all that and link that up, but if it does, go ahead and do that. Once you're already in the voice box tab, you can play around with these voices. If it's not working, then you probably just have to click this Hear Myself tab. I have it off for obvious reasons. The number one thing you gotta make sure is correct once you're in VoiceMod is go into the settings tab and just make sure that your input is the correct mic and your output is also the correct output. Mine personally is my Yeti mic over here to the right of me. You can't see it, but it is there. And the output is also my Yeti mic because I have my headset attached to the mic as well. So just make sure that that is proper, and you can play around with these input settings and output volume and, you know, all that good stuff as well. And once you have these settings to your liking, you can go to voice box and play around with all these voices and they should work fine. Like if I
click this, it should be changing my voice.
Should be changing my voice. Should be changing my voice. So I'm gonna go back to clean. That should have worked, and if it didn't, then you just have to like double check your settings there. And I do have every single voice unlocked simply because I do have the premium version of VoiceMod. However, don't be alarmed, you do not need the premium version of VoiceMod for this to work, because I do have friends that have the free version, and there's daily free voices coming out. So I will have you guys know that in the VoiceMod app, if you go to the plugins, you can link VoiceMod to your bit reward redemption. So what this means is you could actually have viewers spend bits in your chat to change your voice. I personally like it better with channel points, and that's what this tutorial is all about. But if you did want to use bits instead of channel points, you can do that here. But once you have all that situated, the next thing that you're going to want to download is an app called MixItUp. And you'll just go to this little pink button in the right corner to download it. And MixItUp essentially is a super immensely packed stream bot for your broadcaster. So I will only be showing you like pretty much one thing that it can do, but you can play around with this, and you can pretty much all you need is MixItUp to make your stream like excellent, bro. When you first enter the app, it's going to prompt you to either log in or click new streamer. Click new streamer, and this will give you step-by-step on how to link your Twitch into MixItUp. It's really easy. Once you are properly logged in and you've got your MixItUp open, the first thing that's going to open is going to be your chat box. So if you were streaming, your chat would be populating in here. I am not streaming right now, so it's empty. But you're going to go over here to the hamburger icon and find services. Where is it? Right here, services. And then when you're in here, look for VoiceMod. Click on VoiceMod and go ahead and connect your VoiceMod. So it's really easy. I'm pretty sure you just press a button. It does it automatically. Mine's already connected, obviously. Very important that you do that. Once you do that, you will go back to the hamburger icon and select channel points. So this is where the magic happens. This is where the cauldron bubbles, if you feel me. So I already have 2 different voices that people can change in my stream. But let's say I wanted to make a brand new one from scratch. I would go to this icon here, create new channel point reward. And let's say I wanted to make this the baby voice. So I wanted people to be able to change my voice to the baby voice. So I'm gonna call it baby my voice. Whatever you title this is what people are going to see. So definitely make sure you title it properly according to what you would like people to see. Press OK. And this should say successfully created. If for any reason it says that it was not successful, it just means that you already have another reward name under that exact name. So you just have to make it unique. Press OK. Then we're going to go to the one that we just made and go into the edit command icon. So down here, this can get a little bit confusing, but it's really, really simple, truly. Down here in the tab, you're going to select and go to VoiceMod. Once that's in there, press the plus icon, and we're going to change the action up here to select voice, and then we're going to change the voice to baby. So that is technically a full-on action. This is doing something. So now MixItUp is going to know that we are changing the voice, but we aren't done yet because we have to do a couple more things, easy things. So we're going to go down to action again. And we're going to add a wait period. And what this wait period is going to do is going to represent the duration of time that your voice is different. Make sure wait is in the action tab and press plus. And however many seconds you put in here is however many seconds your voice is different. So usually I have mine around 60 to 75 seconds. You can make it a few minutes, it doesn't matter. I'm going to put mine 75. And now we have to add one more action. It's going to be another VoiceMod action. And this is going to just change our voice back to normal. So once VoiceMod is in your action tab, press plus again. Let me make this a little bit bigger for you guys. And we're going to change the action to select voice. And the voice this time is no matter what going to be clean. Clean is the default voice in VoiceMod that is just regular what you are hearing right now. So yeah, this is pretty much all you have to do. There's still like one more step we got to do in OBS just to make sure this is working for you. But this is all you really have to do in MixItUp. Just make sure that you have the VoiceMod first action, the wait period, and the second VoiceMod action. Very important that you press save. A really, really, really big thing to note as well is you guys have to have MixItUp running in the background, otherwise this will not work. So anytime that you are streaming and you're going live and you want people to be able to play with your different voices, you gotta make sure MixItUp is running. So the two things that you always need running in the background is VoiceMod and MixItUp. And now just to prove to you guys that this did work, we can go over into our creator dashboard and into viewer rewards. This is where you can control your channel point reward. Into channel points, manage. And yes, now you can see that there is a brand new channel point redemption reward called Baby My Voice. In the edit tab is where we can change the name, description, the cost, all that good stuff. So it is there, and that is wonderful. That's brilliant. There is one more thing though that we do have to do, and that is just to make sure that the audio input is in OBS. You guys can see that I do have VoiceMod already in here, but let's pretend that wasn't here. You would go to the plus icon, audio input capture. I'm just going to do VM. I already have VoiceMod. Create. Switch to the device to your VoiceMod microphone. Press OK. And now you guys are likely hearing me double, and that's because I have two inputs right now. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the one I just made because I already have a VoiceMod input. But yeah, that's exactly how you guys do that. You should be all set up, and I do strongly recommend that you guys do this right now. You can go over to your channel points and you can find that brand new reward right at the top. Click it, press redeem.
And now your voice should be different. My voice should be the baby voice currently. And if it doesn't work, then you just have to play with your settings again. Make sure that input is correct in VoiceMod. Make sure you did MixItUp correctly. But that is, hold on, let me change my voice normal.
Yeah. But that is all you guys have to do. It's really, really simple. You can play with this. You can stack as many voices as you want on your channel points. It's really neat. So if you guys have any questions or have any other tutorial requests as far as streaming goes, I would be happy to help you. I am a fairly new streamer. I'm almost to 100 followers. If you guys would like to give me a follow, I would really appreciate it. You can join my Discord in the description. A very supportive, loving community. We help each other out. And if you happen to be a new streamer yourself, I would love to help you out. So just reach out anytime. Until next time, have a good one.